Hello guys, I greet you all according to your time. Welcome back again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, your girl, your sister. If you're seeing my channel for your first time, I appreciate you for tuning in. Thank you so much for tuning in. For my returning subscriber, I appreciate you guys for being there for me, for always coming around, for always watching my video. May God in heaven bless you all. Today video guys, I want to show you how I make Italian vegetable spaghetti. If you want to see how I make, sit down and take a glass of water and let's get started. So as you can see guys, this is my tomatoes, my Maggi cube, my onions, it's my green pepper or a red pepper and a yellow pepper. So I just slice both of them together so that it would be easy for me. You can still do yours the same. So this is my spaghetti. This spaghetti I've already done, already cooked. That is my red pepper. This is my salt, my crayfish, ground crayfish, and then this is my vegetable oil. That is my macrofish and my pork meat. So I will use pork meat. So this is the ingredients you need if you want to cook the pasta. If you still wish you don't want to add pepper, you can always use this vegetable down to just still pepper. But for me, I like pepper. I eat pepper too much. So I love onions so much. So I use 2 pieces of onions. You can even use one or use half, depends on you. But for me, I love onions. This is my pot. Now I will pour my oil into the pot. So as you can see guys, I already put my oil into the pot, just a little oil. So I will add my fish because this meat, I'm going to both the fish and the pork meat, I will fry them. So guys, how you guys doing? I hope you guys are okay. I hope every one of you is fine. For me, I'm fine, just that I am very busy. So I'm not going to use that grinded one so because my husband saying like seed one. So I will use this one. I will not use the grinded one again. So yeah. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys is not busy the way I am busy because I am very busy. So as you can see guys, the meat already dry, so I don't want them to too dry. Then they have, this is my onions. So frying my onions, I will fry it just 30 seconds to 1 minute so that the onions, because this is the only onions that I will allow to done very well because I like the scent. So turn my tomatoes and the Maggi cube. So I turn it together. So I will just allow the tomatoes for just 40 seconds or 1 minute because I will not allow them to overdone. So that it can give me the what I want. You understand? If you are going to do this. Yes. As you can see guys, this is the meat. This is pork meat. I like pork meat very much. It's my best meat ever. So especially the back. I love it very well. So I don't allow it to over dry. So as you can see the tomatoes. Now for me to turn the vegetable inside. So I will add the vegetable. Now I will add everything. Now I will put the crayfish, add crayfish. After that I will cover it a little bit, just like 30 seconds. So I add my red pepper, 1 spoon of red pepper. So yeah, I add it to it, and I add my sorry guys, add my crayfish. So I will cover it for just 40 seconds. You can see, bring it out. So I will now add my meat inside. This is my egg. So guys, sorry I forgot to show you guys the place the egg, you understand? So I just boiled the egg. You can see our food is almost ready. So the vegetable is ready. So I will allow the pepper to just down a little bit. So I will cover it because of the pepper and the crayfish. I'll cover it just for 30 seconds. 30 seconds. After that, I'm back to my spaghetti. So guys, as you can see, the vegetable is ready. Understand? Hey, it's very delicious. Eat 1 plate, eat 2 plates, eat 3 plates. So guys, now I will add my spaghetti to it now, so that we can eat it together. Just come, bring your fork or fork, let's come and eat spaghetti, vegetable spaghetti, Italian delicious vegetable spaghetti. When I visit my friend, my godfather 2016, where the wife cooked this pasta, hey, spaghetti, she not let me say bring another plate. Very delicious. If you watch my video from the beginning to the end, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for your support. Please do me a favor, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn that notification bell for me, so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be notified. And drop a comment how you see this pasta, this spaghetti, vegetable spaghetti. Please, I have a Facebook page now. Please, if you are not following me for my page, follow me for my page. I go follow you back. Please follow me for my page, support me, share my video. I still have a video for my Facebook page. Share my video. For my listeners, subscribe. Thank you guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye.